He's only been up on the furniture a few times and he's trying to behave himself. Look at this. He's not supposed to pull out these parts of the prayer shawl. But anyways, he's gonna have to come down. Won't you get on your dog cart instead? Hey? Look, I asked him if he would jump over, but he doesn't want to. Here. Come on over here and jump. Jump into your dog cart. He doesn't, he's thinking about it, but it's weird. He's never done it before, so. I have to take out that towel, put a new towel. Hey! Hey, you. Can you go on your dog cart up here? Come on. I gotta put a new towel there. He doesn't know what to do with himself. I just gave him his pig food, but maybe he's waiting for it to melt slightly. If he doesn't start chewing it on it in 5 minutes, I'll have to put it away. Right, Renzou? Good dog.